If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 420, don't panic. This usually means you've hit a temporary rate limit, and in most cases, it clears itself automatically after about 15 to 60 minutes. The important thing right now is to stop trying to refresh, log in again, or repeat the same action over and over, because that can reset the timer and make the wait even longer. The best move is to give it a little time and let the limit expire on its own. While you wait, try switching your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and use your mobile data instead, or if you're already on mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi and try again. Sometimes a simple network change can help you get back in faster if the issue is tied to your current connection. Once the rate limit has passed, open X again and test the app normally. If it loads, you're good to go. So remember the two key fixes: wait 15 to 60 minutes without repeatedly retrying, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. If this quick fix helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.